Janhvi Kapoor is all set to make her Bollywood debut, and I love the fresh new change that she is bringing to the makeup game. There's this one look in particular that I'm currently loving, and that is this bright red lipstick look with the rest of the makeup kept really subtle and light. Her hair was in loose waves and with micro braids, and I thought it looked stunning. So I'm gonna recreate this makeup look for you guys using just drugstore products. What I love about this look is how fresh and light it looks, and also the boho vibe that it gives. Also, the hairstyle is super simple and pretty much perfect for any sort of weather. Let me know what you think of this recreation in the comment section below. Also, let me know any other celebrity look that you would want me to recreate for less. For more makeup tips and tricks and beauty hacks, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty. Bye!